To recover from defaulting on its $100 billion debt more than a decade ago. And as Byrnes reports from Buenos Aires, recent developments are working in the country's favor for now.
Argentina received a temporary reprieve on Monday from the International Monetary Fund, which in September had threatened to censure the country over its unreliable economic data. IMF Director Christine Lagarde did submit a report Monday about Argentina's questionable statistics to the IMF board, but no disciplinary action is expected until next year, if at all. The IMF development is the latest in Argentina's favor in recent days. South America's second largest economy has fought so-called holdout investors for years. A U.S. appeals court ruling last month granted Argentina until February 27th to make its case against the holdout investors. Today, Argentina did make good on a $3.5 billion bond debt owed to savers who had accepted earlier restructuring deals. However, economist Guido Sanlaris says Argentina still has much work to do.
If you look at the data, what you observe, like the country in the whole hemisphere, in all three Americas, that shows the largest slowdown in economic activity from 2011 till 2012 is Argentina. It's also the country with the highest inflation. And that is reflecting the mistakes that Argentina has been making in terms of policy, economic policy in the last year or so.
Argentina also got some welcome news recently in a case involving a naval tall ship which has been detained in Ghana over unpaid debt. A UN court ruled Saturday that the ship must be allowed to return to Argentina immediately. The saga over the naval ship has become a symbol for Argentina's government in its legal battles against what it calls vulture funds. With the UN ruling in its favor, the Argentine government says it will continue to resist all illegal attempts by the funds to claim their money. Brian Byrnes, CCTV, Buenos Aires.